How to renounce U.S. citizenship. Pros, cons, FAQs. The United States, known for taxing its citizens on their worldwide income, poses a significant burden for Americans living abroad. For some, renouncing their U.S. citizenship becomes a tempting option. But before you make such a monumental decision, it's crucial to understand the process, pros, cons, and frequently asked questions, FAQs, surrounding renunciation. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to renounce U.S. citizenship. Pros, cons, FAQs. Let's begin by exploring the process of renouncing U.S. citizenship, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Make an appointment at a U.S. embassy or consulate. This can be done online or by contacting the embassy or consulate in your home country. Fill out Form DS-4079, the request for determination of possible nationality loss. You can download this form from the U.S. Department of State's website. Submit the renunciation fee of $2,350, payable by credit card, debit card, or money order. Attend a renunciation ceremony, where you will take an oath of renunciation and sign a renunciation statement. After successfully renouncing your citizenship, you will receive a certificate of loss of nationality, confirming your new status. There are a few additional criteria you must meet to renounce your U.S. citizenship. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Second, you must be physically present at the U.S. embassy or consulate where you choose to renounce your citizenship. Third, you cannot be a member of the United States Armed Forces or a commissioned officer in the United States Coast Guard. Fourth, you must not be under indictment in the United States for a crime. Lastly, you must not owe any back taxes to the U.S. government. Now, let's explore the pros and cons of renouncing U.S. citizenship. Some of the pros include no longer being liable to pay U.S. taxes on your worldwide income, no longer having to file U.S. tax returns, no longer being subject to U.S. law, no longer being required to serve in the U.S. military. Some of the cons include loss of voting rights in U.S. elections, loss of the right to live and work in the U.S., loss of the ability to seek U.S. consular assistance overseas, loss of the ability to pass on U.S. citizenship to your children. Let's address some frequently asked questions about renouncing U.S. citizenship. Question 1. Can I renounce my U.S. citizenship if I have a criminal record? Yes, even if you have a criminal record, you can still renounce your U.S. citizenship. However, individuals with felony convictions may need a waiver from the U.S. Department of State. Question 2. Can I renounce my U.S. citizenship if I owe the IRS back taxes? Yes, you can renounce your U.S. citizenship even if you have outstanding tax liabilities. However, it's important to note that you may be required to settle your back taxes with the IRS before renouncing your citizenship. Question 3. If I hold a green card, can I renounce my U.S. citizenship? No. If you currently hold a green card, you cannot renounce your U.S. citizenship. Renunciation is only possible after surrendering your green card and going through the proper procedures. Renouncing U.S. citizenship is a significant decision, and it's crucial to consider all the repercussions before moving forward. If you're contemplating renunciation, we highly recommend consulting with an experienced immigration attorney who can guide you through the process and provide personalized advice based on your situation. Remember, understanding the renunciation process, weighing the pros and cons, and seeking expert guidance are key to making an informed decision about renouncing your U.S. citizenship. Thank you for watching our video guide on how to renounce U.S. citizenship. Pros, cons, FAQs.